Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to put pictures on Roku TV. Let's go. Open settings. Then wallpapers. Select wallpaper. If you want to install your own images, then open the Roku app, photostreams, add photos, select pictures, screensavers, select Roku photostreams, select your stream, or connect Google Photos. That's it, now you know how to put pictures on Roku TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.